Hello there, biology boys and girls and integrated science boys and girls. This is Mr. Williams, and I just wanted to provide you a real quick little recap on some of the material we covered in day one of biology and integrated science. As I told you, super excited for the school year to begin. Really excited about day one. Also is equally unexcited about day one because we have to cover so many classroom procedures, expectations, rules, logistics, etc., etc., and it can get a little mundane and a little bit redundant, okay? I feel your pain. I get to teach that lesson 7 times, essentially, okay? But here's a little video review and recap to prepare you for the real short little summative test, Monday or Tuesday, all right, the 19th or 20th, that's going to cover, assess you over the material we covered here on your first day of class in room 110 this school year. Remember that we visited the Nemaha Valley Science website, and I have that pulled up on the screen right now, and went through some of the location of items that you are going to frequently visit. Visit this site often. Bookmark it, please, on your home desktop, laptop, or device, or cell phone or smartphone. Have access to this at all times. Is it required to have access to it at all times? No. But it will definitely help you out and can make your life easier if you were to forget certain items here inside of the school building. This is essentially a portal into my classroom and makes my classroom reach and extend out to you wherever you may be. Okay? Notice navigation-wise, we've got the classes over here to the left, some information about the flipped classroom, which we'll delve into more over the coming weeks, and some navigation from past pages and current pages. Also a little bit about me, with under this Meet Your Teacher area. Okay, right here in the middle of the web page, we got what's happening in Mr. Williams' classroom, along with homework reminders. This is kind of more of an announcements thing to what's happening in my classroom. A real-time look of content we're covering, projects and/or labs we may be completing, maybe some cool articles I found or other scientific information I feel like I should share. And then right here, homework reminders. Okay, you'll click on here to know exactly what I want you to have finished prior to arrival in the next class period. If you didn't write it down in your agenda or planner, or didn't write it down somewhere else, or can't remember, here's where you can find that out. Okay, remember that I took you through the unit pages. So for instance, I click on Unit 1, Intro to Biology, and it takes us to the unit page that we are currently building, and will build as we move through Unit 1 here in Biology. Student objectives and major concepts are covered on this page. This is the stuff that you will need to know by the time we wrap up Unit 1. And here are the links to various documents, notes, quizzes, instructional videos, whatever it may be, to where you can gather information. Again, everything we do inside of the classroom accessible through this website as well. Finally, an abridged and abbreviated version of my lesson plans in a calendar form. So for instance, we went over classroom rules and expectations today. I click on that event and it gives you a little description and synopsis of what we're doing. Monday is going to be science safety. Click on that event and it tells you what's going to be going on. Heck, I've got all the way up until early September. So we load that calendar and boom, intro to Unit 2, ecology and prep for the Konza Prairie trip. All right. All of this is the same for you integrated science students. It's just under the Unit 1 Intro to Science in Mr. Williams' class page. Okay, so that does it there for the Nemaha Valley Science page. The easiest way to get to it is just doing a Google search for Nemaha Valley Science, because the web address can be very, very difficult to remember and type in. And the navigation through the USD 115 site or the Nemaha Valley Bridge page can get a little lengthy at times as well. Easiest way to find this, type in Nemaha Valley Science into Google, bookmark it, you've got it there forever. Other things that we covered on this first day. We went over general classroom policies and expectations. Okay, this document, I'm not going to read through it or go through any of it with you. You can read through it yourself. It does need to be signed by you and a parent/guardian and brought back to class next Monday or Tuesday, the 19th or 20th. All right. I also expanded upon for you the letter that I had present at orientation for freshmen and sophomores. Basically went into the 3 things I spent a lot of time thinking about, tweaking and modifying over the summer for this school year, so I can do my best as an educator to really help you learn some things, okay? Also, discuss the integrated science course syllabus, which is present, linked through the Unit 1 page, and the biologist course syllabus, which is present linked through the biology Unit 1 page. All of these documents found, again, under Nemaha Valley Science and at the Unit 1 pages for each respected course. There will be another link underneath the Day 1 quiz formative assessment, and it will be this video link, or maybe above. But there will be 5 links on each unit page here before the weekend is here. Okay? Now, part of your homework assignment, what was that? I can't remember. Let me go check the website. I scroll down here to homework reminders, integrated science and biology. What's due on the 19th and 20th? I read this little blip. I need to turn in my contract. I also need to take this Day 1 quiz, the formative assessment. Guess what? It's linked through there. It's also linked through the Unit 1 pages. You click on the link. It pulls up this window. Some real simple questions covering the content that was shared in Day 1. You will be summatively assessed. You'll actually get a small little test grade over this material Monday or Tuesday in class. Okay? Take this formative assessment, review some of those basic pieces of information we've covered. All right? I think that does it for this short little instructional video. Expect more of these to come, both prior to arriving to class and both after the fact to kind of recap and review some things. All right? It was a fantastic first purple day. I look forward to a fantastic first white day, and here's to a great 2013-2014 school year. Adios.